This is a VW Caddy Maxi micro camper that we've converted with our popular Mandalay design. We have managed to fit in all the functionality of a larger camper into this small space without compromising on style or comfort. This layout comes with a pop-top roof, 4 belted seats and up to 2 double sleeping berths, so you can fit up to 4 people in here, 2 on the roof and 2 in the main part of the van in the pull-out rock and roll bed. Let's have a look inside at all the features. The Mandalay camper van includes an elevating roof with optional roof bed, seating for 4 people including a rock and roll bed with 2 3-point seat belts. This bed is over 1 metre wide and the standard length is 180 centimetres, but can be made longer for taller customers. Insulation and carpet lining throughout. Vinyl flooring from Forbo. You have the option to choose the colour and style of this. A leisure battery and battery to battery charger. A 240 volt hookup. Hand-built wooden furniture and worktop surfaces. Again, this is where you get the chance to put your stamp on the overall look, with a choice of wood finishes and stains. Solid wood work surfaces, usually in oak. A can foldy single gas hob burner with sink and tap. A compressor drawer fridge as standard. A solid wood table which is removable, and a small flip-out table for outside living. Camper lighting throughout, including flexi and spot lighting. USB and plug sockets. Blackout curtains covering all windows in your colour choice. On top of all these features, you have the option of expanding on the base design with optional extras. At an additional cost, we can incorporate gas airflow heating, solar panels, extra windows, or even a portaloo. If you're interested in our Mandalay design, or you'd like to be added to our Love Campers build queue, make sure you get in touch with us by dropping us an email at hello@lovecampers.co.uk.